Good afternoon, Mr. Oscar. I am going to do the following interview.
Good afternoon, Mr. Santiago. Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Oscar Freddy Moreno.
How old are you?
I am 41 years old.
What is your marital status?
My marital status is married.
What is your occupation?
My occupation is production operator.
What is your academic training?
My academic training is systems and technician.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is listening to music and painting ceramic pictures.
What is your experience?
I have been working in Indumil Sogamoso for 15 years as production operator.
Which are your personal qualities?
I am a responsible, optimist, and sincere person.
Okay, what are your skills and weaknesses at work?
My skills are the teamwork. I am a very active and creative person. My weaknesses are I am a serious and very perfectionist person.
Okay, very well. Thank you for your time in this interview, Mr. Oscar. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye, Mr. Santiago.